Hey everybody, this is my entry in the 2018 Big Rig Build-Off. I have a Western Star and I have this timber trailer. This will be my first build-off. Thank you Kenny, Thomas, and Jeff, and also thanks to my buddy Ron who let me know about this. Never done one of these and really haven't built in a while, and I've got a ton of kits and it's about time I start building. You can see there's my directions, all my parts. So my kit has not been started in any way, shape, or form. Go with this here. Trailer, still in bags, all that kind of good stuff. So I'm looking forward to it. Hope everybody has a good time, and best of luck to all of you. And I can't wait to have an update. Thank you.